So you're talking about absolute security. You have this in your car. Look at what all you can do with
it. Knowing where your car is after being stolen is one thing, but with iTrack, you can actually prevent car theft. As soon as an intruder tampers with your car, the GPS device through its SIM card will send an alert to your mobile in the form of an SMS, or you can track it by logging on to the internet. That's not all. You can use the device to set a code and lock your car so that the car won't start. Even if the intruder manages to crack the code and start the car, you can ensure that the car comes to a gradual halt by sending a command from either your mobile or computer.
Incredible, Sarath. But, you know, this is interesting, the fact that there are many deterrents to even getting started. There are many that the thief may not even be able to break through, like the fact that you actually have to punch in a code to get started. You can immobilize. And even more important, this works on your mobile phone too. So it's not that I can only track it when I'm sitting down on a computer, but on a mobile too. Okay. What else? Now, we've spoken about the fact that there's even diagnostics built into this.
Our system allows a proactive online actual time data on engine oil, things like battery temperature, the water temperature. So it allows us the basic ingredients of our car to work in a proper manner.
So you can actually track all those elements of each vehicle in real time?
You don't have to track. You'll get it on your desktop or on your mobile.
So a company that is actually maintaining a fleet of, let's say, 100 vehicles can do this in real time?
Absolutely. 30 seconds. 30 seconds from the activity, let's say an oil problem, he'll get within 30 seconds an alert on his mobile or on his email, the way he likes it.
Okay, once again, great to talk about it. I need to see this. Well, let's find out if this is reality. Is Sarath exaggerating? Is this the final holy grail?
It's like remote controlling your car. Actually, not exactly. If you're someone who loves his car and wants to keep a check on it at all times, then this GPS device can help you. You can be anywhere away from your car, yet log on to the net and know the position. Imagine a scenario where someone else is using your car while you're away. All you have to do is log on to the internet and track your car using the GPS device. What all information can you get? Well, a lot. From fuel consumption, battery life, temperature at which the car is running, oil level, and you can get all this information real time within 30 seconds.
Okay, Sarath, obvious question. So why isn't this implemented all over the place? Why are we hearing this about the future? This is available, though there's so much in the future that is happening with this. But I would unthink every BPO, every public transportation system, every company should be having it. Where are the problems? Where are the deterrents? Why isn't this all over?
Predominantly because I think, as the show says, it's the next big thing, right? So it's
okay.
So this is the next big thing.
It's an upcoming next big thing.
It's
right?
upcoming. It's very shortly.
The last thing we're going to find out from you is fleet management. Now we keep hearing about it. In fact, we did a show on GPS where we kind of discovered fleet management and what it's all about.
Right.
But here you're talking about seriously detailed and complex things you can do with it, right? So before I talk to you about it, let's again show everybody what we mean. So fleet management. Companies that actually have large vehicles that they maintain, many of them, hundreds, 200s, you can do so much more if you really know where they are, what they're doing, and when they'll come back. Fleet management, right here.
iTrack can also be used as a strategic and reporting tool for helping to manage fleet services across the country. It has a lot of functionality built in and has a specific set of features for tracking, real-time monitoring, and for running a full management information system. The combination of GPS, GPRS, and GSM technology in the vehicle tracking unit and online fleet application provides a user-friendly web interface. Immediate alerts can be sent directly to predefined numbers. It can also automatically generate and deliver full reports through email. Some of the other unique features include recording and storing of up to 2,000 positioning locations, routes traveled and any deviations including speed and other parameters, fuel sensors to check fuel theft, contamination and usage, thermal sensor to provide instant alerts for high and low temperatures in thermal sensitive cargo, accident detector, detects vehicles in case of an impact when an accident happens, speed limit rules and reporting of deviations, alerts for various mechanical warnings including low oil pressure, high water temperature, brake light failure and low battery. Instant alerts when a certain compartment is opened, which is vital for critical high-value transportation. Gradual stop function, ensuring safe and secure recovery of your vehicle. Fuel cut, take control of any fuel thefts or other tampering. Ignition immobilize, turn off ignition from a remote location if the vehicle is stolen.
Okay, Sarath, we're seeing a huge amount of technology all embedded into this system. Now, let's talk about the future. What else can this be used for in your mind?
We see the big thing is that the freight and transportation sector, the fleet sector, which is right now terribly disorganized or unorganized, will get into an organized situation.
Okay.
When the organized happens, cost will be driven down. Okay. And you'll have better service. I mean, we're just talking of retail. I mean, retail cannot operate without effective transport management.
Thank you, Sarath. Thank you for being on the next big thing.